All right, guys, we're doing a quick walkthrough during the daytime. Give an opportunity to see everything with some fresh sunlight. Try not to move too fast. The pantry doors on each side of the refrigerator inset also light up. Got new faucets, fixtures in each bathroom and in the kitchen. There we go, turn those on. Here is bedroom 1. All new paint, all new carpet in every room. High ceilings. Also have 2 skylights, which I really like because they bring a lot of natural light into the home during the day without the need to turn the lights on. That's the laundry room. It's almost the size of another bedroom. This is the first bathroom. Again, new faucet fixtures everywhere, new hardware everywhere. Bedroom number 2. The other thing I really like about this home is that each bedroom is situated on its own wing of the house, so it offers a lot of privacy. And this second bedroom has a walk-in closet. It's very generous. New carpet. And going into the master bedroom. All right, here's the ensuite to the left. Again, new fixtures. And new carpet. You have a walk-in closet in here as well. It's very generous in size and space. And then here is your master bedroom. High ceilings as well. A second 3-panel closet with overhead storage. Bay windows with a view to the golf course, fairway, as well as the generous size yard. And that's it. Thank you, guys.